A warm greetings to one and all. Hi, this is Akshay from Naresh IT, and today in this video we are going to discuss about how to be a good speaker. My dear student, many and more times we know this thing, speaking is an important thing. Why? Because it comes under verbal communication. But an appropriate speaker must require some qualities. That means other person should have to understand him or her. Now, what are those qualities? That are we are going to discuss in the today's video. Now the first is engage with your audience. My dear student, communication is the process where we are going to share our idea. Under communication it comes like a speaker. Now how to be a good speaker, it's really important to know for everyone. Whenever you are going to speak with anyone, you have to keep in mind whatever you are going to speak, whatever you are going to tell to anyone, it should have some sense, first thing. And the second thing, you should have to engage with the audience. See, many times what happens, in front of audience we are talking and we don't know whether audience are understanding us or not. So for that reason, one must have to keep in mind, we have to engage the audience. We have to engage means what? In middle we have to ask few questions to audience. In middle we have to check whether audience are understanding whatever the points I am telling to them. This is what we have to keep ourselves engaged with the audience. In between we have to ask few questions, in between we have to exchange the smile, so that the people should have to understand and we should be engaged with them. The next point is that pay attention to the body language. As in my previous video, I have shown you what is body language and how we have to use. My dear student, again I am repeating the same concept here also. Body language is really important. What if instead of watching towards the camera, if I am watching anywhere, you will be thinking in different way. Yes, na? The same thing goes to here. Your body language should be very good. Look in people eye. Again, what we can do is we can exchange the smile, we can maintain eye contact, we can use our gesture, posture, body language. These are what do's. What should the don'ts? While speaking with the people, what we don't have to do is we don't have to give more pressure on our only one leg. We have to stand straight. We have to look in people eye. Then we have to look towards them in a very positive manner. And positive manner means what? We have to keep bit smile on our face. It should be straightforward. We have to see towards them, and it should be confident. It should not be like a nervousness. Next, if we will be keeping like ourselves nervous, then it leads to many problems. Next is what? Podium. See, my dear student, if you people are using podium while speaking, generally what is the meaning of podium? Podium means what? One kind of table where we are putting our notes, where we are putting our points, and we are used to see that points in that from that notes, and we are using podium and we used to speak from that. So podium is basically used for that. If we don't require podium, don't use it. Better to show your proper body language. Be comfortable with audience. Audience is what? They are just people. They are just watching with you. And what you are doing? Through your speaking, you are giving them a knowledge. Through your speaking, you are giving them an information which is highly important for them. So that's what. Be confident, be nervous. Don't be nervous, I mean to say. Be confident. Next point is that deep breath. Whenever you are going to speak with anyone, take a deep breath and then speak. Take a deep breath means what? Your nervousness will be removed whenever you will be taking deep breath. Next point is look people in the eye and smile. That is what? Eye contact. Think positively. Affirmation helps you a lot. My dear student, as we know, if we think positively, then everything happens with us in a positive manner. Now, what is this a positive thinking? Affirmation, which makes you enhance your body language. If you are thinking in a positive way, everything will be happening in positive way. Think positive and tell to yourself, yes, my speaking is going a very good way. I am speaking with audience in very good way. Affirmation. This affirmation you have to think, and obviously it will happen. The next point is watch your recording yourself. Whenever you are speaking, at the time ask your friend to make a video of your speaking. So later on you can see how I am working within that speaking quality, how I am working, whether am I a good speaker or not, that you people will get to know. The next important point is that be confident and never tell to yourself I am nervous. Yes, you are not nervous. Why you are telling yourself nervous? Because you feel that yes, I am nervous. So don't let it feel. What is there? Nothing is there. My dear student, be very much confident. Drink plenty of water before you are going to talk with anyone. And I mean to say, before you are going to talk in front of the audience. This is what an important thing that you people require. The main important thing for a good speaker is to concentrate on the content. What kind of content you are going to speaking, what kind of contents the audience they are going to receive from you, that should be very clear. Right now I am giving you the content. What you have understood from my content, you have understood like you have to engage the audience, you should have to be confident, you should not have to be nervous, how you have to use podiums, how body language is important. Clarity is there na. If I am talking with you people, you are understanding me. So this is what a good quality of a good speaker. For becoming a good speaker, what you have to do is, it's simple. Be specific, be limited, use a positive body language, affirmation is important, engage with the audience, and never think that I will be stuck anywhere. Always think that my communication is going in a very good manner and in a very positive manner. And let me tell you one thing, my dear student, whenever you will be applying these all things in your basic life, in your daily life, while communicating, you will never get any problems. And what if suppose you are getting stuck? When, up to what time you will be getting stuck? One time, two times, three times, four times, but one day will definitely come. On that day you will be feel proud about yourself. Yes, now I can able to speak continuously, I can able to speak with very fluent manner in English. So that's what an important things for a good speaker. I hope you love this video, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video under Naresh IT. Thank you.